Welcome back to another end time disaster event happening on November 4th, 2025 in Greece. Storm Byron struck the country, affecting much of the impacts only included Attica, including Athens, the southern and eastern Peloponnese, and the Ionian and Aegean islands, particularly in Thos and Rhodes. The storm dropped heavy rainfall. In Vuchade, Attica, 71.4 of rain was recorded on December 4th, with a total of up to 245 recorded between December 4th and 5. 67.6 fell in Beliae, and 33.8 in Solomons. Up to 97 fell in Western Attica, and 109.6 fell in Laconia and Scala by the evening of December 4th. The storm's impact was significant. Streets and roads were flooded in Attica, paralyzing traffic. Emergency services received hundreds of calls and evacuated residents in basement and first floors. Schools were closed in several regions, both on the mainland and on the island. Landslides, rock falls, fallen trees, and highway closures were also observed. Thank you, see you soon.
Δεν πάμε, αφού πάτα κάνουμε. Και εγώ πέκα, αλλά μην σε πάρει μέσα, γάμισε το. Αυτό κάτω από σύνδεμα να έχει. Όχι, δεν χρειάζεται τώρα. Φάει το αμάξι. Φάει το αμάξι. Τρεις ανθρώπους στο τσάκ την κοιτώσανε, τους βγάλαμε.
Τι γίνεται στο Πειραιάς, παιδιά! Πω, της ανομαλία! Τι νερά! Ωραία, καλή φάση! Παναγία! Τι λες ρε παιδιά!